Oh, hello. I've been looking for this for a while now, and I can't think anything that resembles in real life, that reflects in real life. I can only think of it's like a tomb or a coffin specifically. And this rectangle, the horizontal rectangle here is the person, is the deceased person lying inside the coffin. Anyway, let's start. First is the background. Put this inside the body tag, body element, like that. Then center. Then change the color, and then adjust the height. Oh no, okay, width rather. Width. Then the height. Hmm, just a bit. Then push this downwards a bit up, and up, 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 up. Just the width, maybe something like that, and create the rectangle that caging this horizontal. So we can name this center rectangle, center, and then we can create four of this. Rename the center like that, and this is top, this is left, this is bottom, and so on. So let's first do this top. For that, copy this, change the top, then pull this upwards, then adjust the width. Something like that. And next is the left. I know it's simple to do the bottom right after next to top because they have the same width and height, just different positions. So let's do that. Bottom instead of left. Let's just invert this value and add push this more to the bottom. For that, we only need to have a left and right. So let's do the left first. The height is 40 because it has the same width as this top and bottom. And the height maybe something on center, and push this thing on the left. Oh, I'm surprised. Then create its inverse named right. And the idea is to put this on the right instead of left. So like that. And this something like a details in your grave. So let's rename this to details. Details. Even though it's just a vertical rectangle that is connected to the box. So do that. Details. I know the height is 140 because it's rectangle. No, the width is 40 and the height is maybe 140. And let's make this center and push this upwards.